In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line break in WordPress. Whether you're crafting a blog post or formatting a page, understanding how to control the spacing of your content can make all the difference in enhancing readability and keeping your work professional looking. Let's begin by opening your WordPress dashboard. If you're already logged in, you should be able to navigate directly to it. Once there, you'll find your content listed under Posts for blog entries or Pages if you're working on your website structure. Choose the post or page you wish to edit. Simply click the title to open up the WordPress editor directly. Now that you're in the editor, locate the area where you need to insert a line break. This could be in plain text, a paragraph, or wherever you need some space. WordPress uses what's called the visual editor, which means it tries to show you what the content will look like on the site. This editor is user-friendly, but here's the trick: pressing the Enter or Return key once will create a new paragraph, not just a line break. To insert a simple line break, you'll need to utilize a different method. What you want to do here is hold down the Shift key and then press Enter. This combination automatically inserts a single line break rather than a new paragraph. Try it out. It's an excellent way to ensure shorter breaks between lines without the gap that a full paragraph break creates. If you ever need to check or adjust your line breaks more precisely, there's another way. Switching to the text view from the visual view in the WordPress editor lets you see the HTML behind your post. Here, you'll notice that line breaks are represented by the HTML code, the break tag enclosed in angle brackets, typically represented as >greater than with the appropriate codes inside. This view allows you to manually adjust any additional spacing issues you might encounter. Once you're satisfied with the line breaks you've added, remember to preview your changes before going live. The Preview option provides a sneak peek of how the post or page will look with these new adjustments, ensuring everything appears just as you expect. Finally, when everything looks good to you, don't forget to hit either the Update button if you're editing an existing post or Publish for new content. This updates your site and makes any live changes accessible to visitors. Tackling line breaks might seem minor, but these little tweaks contribute to a cleaner, more engaging layout for your readers and can enhance your content's overall readability. So whether you're new to WordPress or looking to refine your site's look, mastering line breaks is a step toward achieving that polished, professional result. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!